In American Roulette, the wheel has 38 slots. And so the numbers are the numbers 1 to 36, and there are two special slots, the 0 here and the 00. And these both are green. And so let's consider what happens in this game when you are betting on a single number, right? So if you go to the casino to play American Roulette and you bet on a single number, the way that it works is the following. So you pick one number and place a $1 bet, let's say, on that number. And if your number comes up, you win $35. And so you get your original dollar back. So your net gain is $35, right? They give you 36, but you paid 1. So your net gain is $35. And if any other number appears, you lose your dollar. And so the question is this a good bet? Is it a good idea to be playing this game in the casino? At least if you want to make money. Not if you have fun, then maybe it's worth it. But we're talking just about from an investment point of view. Is this a good way to make money? So let's look at it again from our point of view of expected values. So if we denote by x, the random variable that gives you what is your, like, how much money you get by placing one bet, then x is you win $35 with probability 1 over 38, and you lose $1 with probability 37 over 38. And so if we compute what is the expectation of x, this is going to be, well, it's going to be the 35 times that probability, 1 over 38, plus the minus 1 times the probability of getting that, which is the 37 over 38. And so this is going to be equal to minus 2 over 38, which is approximately minus 0.05. So around 5 cents per dollar, right? So what this means is that on average, you lose about 5 cents every time you play this game. And this is something called the house edge. So this is, when you play there, this is how much they're getting from you per dollar, let's say. So for every dollar that you play in the roulette, you're losing around 5 cents on average. And so the casino, it doesn't need to win every round. That's not their goal. It actually, if it was, people wouldn't go and play because they get excited when they win. The goal is that when many people play and when people play over many rounds, this is sort of the amount that they are winning per dollar per round played on average.